In this module, we're going to review conducting a SWOT analysis, a great tool to determine the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of a business, a strategy, a service, a product, or a project. It's often credited to Albert Humphrey of Stanford University when in the 60s and 70s he led research projects using data from many top companies. It can be performed as a transformational effort, a strategic planning tool, or a precursor to cultural change. It can be beneficial when performed as a proactive event to determine directional corrections prior to change implementation, or as a reactive session to determine changes to improve an existing situation. A SWOT analysis identifies internal characteristics and external elements that are significant to influencing or achieving a desired outcome of the SWOT topic. The SWOT analysis matrix is divided into two categories, internal and external, and four elements: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The internal categories are strengths and weaknesses, and strengths are internal characteristics that will drive achievement of desired outcome, while weaknesses are internal characteristics that may prevent the desired outcome if not reinforced. External elements are opportunities and threats. Opportunities are external elements that can be leveraged to achieve the desired outcome. Threats are the external elements that may prevent achieving the desired outcome if not mitigated. It may be useful for input to transformational or operational excellence programs, or as input to a project plan, for a determination of an initiative, program, or project viability, as a precursor to strategic planning, or a team approach tool for defining input to programs and projects. Let's take a look at the SWOT analysis template as we flow through the process for conducting a SWOT analysis. We'll first assemble a cross-functional team of subject matter experts. They'll be prepared for the session by completing pre-work on the topic. We'll document the reason or the topic for conducting the SWOT analysis. We'll brainstorm and list the internal characteristics, the strengths and weaknesses. We'll then brainstorm and list the external characteristics, the opportunities and threats. We'll rank and prioritize each of the characteristics. We'll map the strengths to the opportunities which can be leveraged and to the threats which can be mitigated. We'll understand weaknesses that need to overcome to take advantage of the opportunities and that might be exploited by the threats. We'll develop an action plan describing who, what, and when, the 3W, based on the prioritization we did in the previous step. We'll define a follow-up plan, which includes a schedule to ensure actions are completed as planned. We'll rerun the SWOT analysis as part of continuous improvement cycle based on changes in the internal or external environment. Please don't forget to download your complimentary Excel toolboxes containing this template as well as many others. You'll find those at valuegenerationpartners.com. Select the downloads page, and each of these toolboxes representing these various initiatives are available to download. So wishing you much success as you implement and use the SWOT analysis tool.